Create awesome anime speed lines in After Effects. Got our clip on the timeline here. I'm going to activate this grid guide, title action safe, and then we got this center marker here on the character's face. I'm going to go up to the pen tool and draw a slim triangle. I'm going to drop down menu on the shape that we just drew. With content selected, I'm going to go add repeater. Go down on the repeater one, transform, and then make sure the position is 0, 0. And let's scroll up and change the copies to 10. Go to the transform repeater one menu, and on the rotation, increase this, and then we see it sort of fan outwards. So using the pen tool, I'm just going to click and drag the tip of the original triangle and just expand it a bit, so we have a bit of a gap here for the character's face. And then on the transform shape one drop down menu, increase the scale so all the white lines are going off the composition. Highlighting the contents here, I'm going to add a wiggle transform and drag the wiggle transform below the repeater. Then on the drop down menu, go to wiggle transform 1 transform. I'm going to decrease the position to about -90 and increase the rotation to about 9. And on the wiggle speed, I'm just going to type 10 instead of 2. And voila, there we have it, a cool anime speedline effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.